Hello friends, welcome to my channel Anshika Goel Illustrator. It's time to level up your illustrations. And today's topic is side female flesh figure. And for that, we need a side block figure. On that, place a gateway sheet and just start drawing the way I do. You can use clutch pencil for smoother strokes. You can see this is a block figure and this is gateway. I am drawing on the gateway. So we have got our head and neck here. Coming up to the shoulder point, let's make a shoulder joint like a ball and then make a curve above it. This way. Then drawing our bust area, as this is a 3/4 side view, the bust shape will come like this. The waist curve will be the same as in the front and back. Coming up to the hip portion, the hip curve will come like this, and in the 3/4 view, both the hips are visible as like the bust, but very less. As you can see, very less hip curve of the other side is visible here. So we will draw it like this. Now coming up to the front shape and then knee. Let us make the knee joint first. This is a very simple and easy tip that we can use in every kind of flesh figure. That firstly just mark the joint, mark the joint points and then join the curves together. As like we did in this, we make a knee curve and then we have joined to the hip. Now we will draw the ankle curve first, ankle joint, and then we will make our calf area, that is below the knee area. The calf curve will come more curvy on the above side and going towards down, it will become quite straight and flat. As you can see here also. Now we are showing the second leg visible, very less visibility we can see of the second leg, so we can merge it in between like here, or we can show it up to the ankle joint also. So it's your choice guys, how you want your croquis, your side figure to be made. Now the main part is the heels. There will be the side view of heels, not as like the front or back, but side. So there is one heel visible like this, and if you are joining the second leg up to the ankle point, so we have to draw the second knee also, second heel also, like this. Now this part is done. Coming up to the shoulder, the second shoulder, which is very less visible, so the curve will come like this way. And for better detailings, we will draw our collarbones. Coming up to the hands, let's just join our curve to the elbow point first, elbow, and then to the wrist area, flat till the elbow, and from the elbow to wrist little curvy. Hand will be made as usual, and for finger we will make some line to give impression of fingers. And you can see this is pretty much good. This is done. For better clarity, let me make it by sketch pen, and the way I will do with sketch pen, you all should do like that. Every curve of the figure should be very smooth. It shouldn't be in the break pattern. The broken line shouldn't be visible. So practice that much hard that your curves come in a smooth way. Here you can see I have given the impression of finger. I haven't made the proper fingers. So this is how you all have to do this. and this is done. So you can see how easy it was. It's just that you guys have to practice. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the video, share and subscribe.